Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com. In this video, I am going to show you how you can generate personal API token from Calendly. Personal access token actually help us to access Calendly data. This is Calendly and it is very popular for scheduling. And for generating per API token, first of all, we have to log in. I am going to continue my account with Google. So if you have user password, you can use that. And when we have login to Calendly, you must have the event type. So it's mean if I want to show you, this is my booking link. If I give it to someone, he actually can book a casual with me. Okay, and the most important part is generating API token, and that is under the integration and app section. Okay, here is a lot of feature with Calendly that you can use and make your life easier. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate personal access tokens and access Calendly data for your organization, private or internal application. Okay, and this is the another access token where you can use build a public application any Calendly user can connect to, but that is another part we are going to use for personal purpose. And keep in mind that it is under the integration and app section. So let me repeat it. Go to integration and apps and then API and webhooks and then get a access token and then continue and give a name. For my case, I just want to give a name test for me and then create access token. And then you need to verify your identity. So go to email and you will get a code. Just copy it and paste it. And you can say this code already expired. So maybe they have sent the new one. So I think I used this one. And this one would be the new one. Yes, here it is. So this is the token and you can use it. Just copy it and save it to anywhere. For example, Notepad or whatever you want. For my case, I just want to keep it here. And this is the look of this API. Okay. And then close it. And when you close, it should be look like this. That's mean you have successfully generated your token. Okay, so now you can use this token for your business purpose. So thank you very much. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you need more video, then you can consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. And if you need my help, you can book a meeting today. I will give a link on this video description. So feel free to schedule. Thanks for watching. See you soon.